Okay, so for this one, we need to match up the graph with the equation, and we can do this by using coordinates. So on this one here, I've got coordinates, well, x is -4 when y is 0. So we're going to substitute -4 into each of the equations down the side and see which one gives me a y value of 0. So in order to get a y value of 0, either this bracket or this bracket would need to be equal to 0. So substituting x is -4, -4 plus 1 is -3, -3 times by -8 is not going to give me 0. -4 minus 4 is -8, -8 squared does not give me 0. This one, -4 add 4 is 0. 0 times by -4 gives me 0. So that one could be a possibility. -4 minus 1 is -5. -5 times by -4 plus 4, which is 0. That one's a possibility as well. Can't be this one. Next one, -4 take away 4 is giving us -8 times by -1 isn't giving me 0. And then we've got, what are we up to here? -4 plus 1 is going to give me -3. 4 minus -4 is going to give me 8, so that one's not going to work. 1 take away -4 is going to give me 5. -4 plus 4 is going to give me 0. So 0 times by the 5 is going to give me 0, so that's a possibility. And the last one, -4 plus 4 is going to give me 0. 0 squared is 0, so the last one's also a possibility. So I've narrowed it down to 4 different ones. So next we need to think about the other coordinate. So I've got a 0, 0 coordinate. So when I substitute 0 in, it needs to give me 0. So when x is equal to 0, y must be equal to 0. So let's try it into all the ones that we've narrowed it down to. So 0 plus 4 is 0, times by 0, it's going to give me 0. So this one works again. 0 take away 1 is -1. 0 plus 4 is 4. When they multiply, it doesn't give me 0. This one, 1 take away 0 is 1. 0 plus 4 is 4. Multiplied, it doesn't give me 0. And the final one, 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 squared doesn't give me 0. So this one must match up to this one. This one, the next one goes through the same point. So this one's going through, it's got a coordinate of x equals -4 when y equals 0. So this one's narrowed down to the same ones. But this one is like an x squared graph. So if we think about the coordinates on it, it's going to be like, it's like an x squared, but the x squared graph has been moved to the left, which is the same as this one at the bottom here. Thinking about transformations of graphs, it always goes the opposite way than you think. So it's like f of x has been moved 4 places left. And the final one, this one's a negative x graph, because it's upside down to all these ones. So it's either going to be the ones with the negative x's. So this doesn't. This one here's got a negative x, it could be that one. And this one's also got a negative x, so it could be that one. So now we need to think about some coordinates again. So we've got coordinates of when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. So let's substitute that in. So when x is equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4 take away 4 is 0. 0 times by 5 gives me 5, so it could be this one. And double check this one. 1 take away 4 is -3, 4 plus 4 is 8, so -3 times 8 doesn't give me 0, so this one must match up to that one.